this and this, and I have a paper cup and some popsicle sticks, and we're gonna make it do what it do. I end up ripping the cup and I mixed the two, and this is probably a little too thick, but it's okay. A little bit, just putting it up there. Trying to do it lightly. So this is a better view. You see, it's a little sloppy, but whatever. And I'm gonna lay it on some aluminum foil. All I did was wash the hair with shimmer lights, and I literally just, I'm gonna leave the shimmer lights up here for a few minutes, or maybe like 15-20 minutes, so that it won't have that bronzy effect. Just gonna let it sit. I done washed it once, and I'm literally let it sit in the sink. All right, y'all, so while that's soaking in the shimmer lights, excuse my background, I'm in the midst of moving, but okay. While that's soaking in the shimmer lights, I'm going to, hold on. There we go. There we go. All right, I'm going to try to do the ball cap method. This is my first time, so yeah. I chose a really, really, really light nude color. And this is what I'm going to do. I already braided my hair yesterday. I'm just going to put this up. You would just Okay, I can't poke no holes right here, but yeah, I don't have no scissors. Well, I have some scissors, but I'm moving. So now I'm taking my Got2b spray. Oh, my son brought me some scissors. All right, so I'm about to cut this off. I'm trying to get this to balance on my leg. Okay. I mean, if you want Botox, just freeze spray your face because, baby. Okay. Okay, cow scissors. It be looking so easy. I'm like, I can do that. I can do that. It's more some, and I'm gonna freeze spray this some more. Get some of this almond butter by Design Essentials. Get a healthy amount and just apply it on the hair and wash it out. So I washed the hair. It did not shred. Y'all, I'm tired. Today is just one of them days. I don't know. I'm trying to get myself together. So I washed the wig. She is soaked. Whew, I don't know. Alright, y'all, so now I'm taking my Anastasia. I think this is a contour palette. I'm gonna take this brown shade right here. Taking this Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna dip it in there. And I gotta use my mirror for this, y'all, because it's been a struggle. I'm running behind. It's just a mess, y'all. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Today has been a day, I tell you. It's like this wig is almost too small for my head. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I gotta put, I almost forgot. I'm gonna put this and put it inside here too. Just literally. I'm not gonna dip it. I'm gonna just use the rest. Okay. Okay, every time I put this wig on, it's stretching. Okay. You know, I should have cut the ear things off. But I'm just trying to see how she looking. How she looking, y'all? How's she looking? Ooh, she tight. Hold on. Part then. It's a T-part wig, which means that it's already parted in the middle. I didn't blow dried the hair so crazy that the part is gone. Trim it. I'm not gonna trim it, you know, close yet. I trim it off once I get done, but this, it's not giving. I might just do a sloppy. Ooh, I'm giving Tina Turner and I'm loving it. Okay. Plucking. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you up some more. This is how much I plucked so far. I don't know if y'all can see that. I got one. Oh, child. She just look like she gonna be on the side today, cause ain't no way. I took some makeup remover. Pour it on the leftover stocking cap. And you see this right here? Ooh. Now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spray this Got2b spray on my forehead. Right? And let it get tacky? Or is that when you got... Okay. You let it get tacky when it's a glue. So I just spray this up there. I put this down to where I need it, right? Right, y'all? I put it down like right here. And then I spray, right? That look good? We're gonna see. Okay. This wig a little small. So I'm gonna spray right around the headline. I'm spraying it on the hair. The hair gonna be just as stuck. Lord have mercy. I'm gonna take the blow dryer on low, on cool. For my first time, I feel like I'm doing okay. What I decided to do is just take this and try to go up with it. Show you what I'm doing. Yep. Because they say you want it to be jagged, right? Okay, y'all. So I just blow dried it again, like with some more glue. I know you're supposed to use an elastic band, but like I don't have one. So is it okay if I use a belt? Like, for real. You know what? I honestly might be on to something, you know. And this is real talk. For real. Maybe a thinner belt. But listen. You gotta do. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I really might be on to something. So don't laugh. And look, I'm gonna buckle it up. Boo! We're gonna leave this on for, what time is it? 3:36. I'm gonna leave this on for, for about 5 minutes, because Lord knows I don't want to have a severe headache. Dang, that's kind of smart though. Oh, this is innovative. Like, Alright, yeah, let's bring this hair to life. Actually, I end up finding something a little smaller because I could feel the headache starting to happen. Oh my gosh. Now y'all probably saying she looks so foolish. But it's okay. Because my friends gonna stick beside me here. And that's word. See, I got most of my stuff packed up, so I can't really tell where everything is at. Where's the flat irons? I need some help. Okay. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Get up and get this done. You got this. I'll be back. Got my trusty and my handy dandy Revlons and do. The blow dryer is also Revlon. Got my detangler brush. I don't know why I'm detangling anything. Okay. I got this Eben heat protector spray. Okay. I don't know what style I'm going for. It's like I kind of want something just like messy, like in the front. Like this, like. But I can't wear nothing like this because the headline too thick. I want to cry though, for real. I ain't gonna lie. I do want to cry. I don't know, you probably saying that is too big. What kind of curl are you going for? I don't know, baby. Okay. Okay. So given that wig is like this, right? Being that I didn't freeze sprayed the edges, I don't even know. It just like they been Beijing, like it's like a Beijing hairline. They don't move. My hair, it don't move. I'm gonna push this in the front like this and have this coming. Oh girl, well where do I start? Okay, let's just start with a clean canvas. Let's just straighten the hair back here. All right, y'all. So this is the curls I have so far. And it's okay. I mean, I don't know. I still don't know what I'm gonna do. But whatever. I'm gonna try to find some bobby pins and pin the curls up so they won't fall so much. And then, oh girl, I'm giving somebody's grandma a hug. So, this is what I managed to do so far. I freaking pinned my hair up. Well, kind of, sort of. I don't know. But yeah, you see. And then, I'm about to go to the corner store. I'm about to go to the ABC store to get me some Kettle One. And we'll see. Then I'm coming to do my makeup. And if I can't do nothing else, I could definitely do my makeup. So stay tuned for that, y'all, because I don't know what I'm giving right now. All right, y'all. So we about to see how this hair came out. I caught myself pinning it. I don't know. I just do know one thing. This has been the most boring time getting dressed. I ain't had a friend here to help me, to keep me company. It's been giving boring. I'm taking some gloss. I'm gonna go spray it on my hand. Oops, sorry. Oh, I hope it gives something. Okay. Okay, let's. Oh What does it give? That's just what it's gonna give, and that's just gonna be it. Okay, so this is what it's giving, y'all. I don't know. At this point, really, I don't care. I just wanted this to be more like curled, like to the back. But okay, this is what we give. I'm letting my dress on and I'll be right back.